Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install MetaMask in laptop. So for that, first of all, you open a browser on your PC and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in metamask.io and tap on search. This will direct you to the official webpage of MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser extension and also available in the mobile application. MetaMask equips you with a key vault, secure logging, token wallet, and token exchange. MetaMask allows you to store and swap cryptocurrencies, interact with the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem, and host a growing array of decentralized applications. You cannot actually install the application for your PC as this is just available for the Chrome extension or any browser extension and mobile application only. So what you need to do is you need to click on download for Chrome. Click on that. This will direct you to this extension page of your Chrome web store. You click on add to Chrome, add extension. With that, the MetaMask extension will be downloaded for your Chrome browser. The MetaMask has been added to your Chrome browser. You need to click and get started. Now you can get logged in into your account, that is either import wallet or you want to create a new wallet for yourself. MetaMask is currently available for iOS, Android, Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.